How to make the bubble text in the Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the bubble text on the Google Docs. So first of all, open your Google Docs and then choose the file that you want to add your bubble text to. Now what you need to do is tap on this very edit option if you're using your phone. If you're using your PC, then you can simply go to the insert option, go to the draw option, and then you can simply search for bubble text and see any bubble text formats that you want to. But if you're using a phone, then you can simply take your cursor to wherever you want to add your text. Now just tap on the A section on the top side. So here is all the format of your text. Now what you can do is you can simply tap on the impact option and choose any kind of format, so something that looks similar to bubble text, and just tap here. And also you want to color, then you can simply color it right here. You want to line space, then you can do it as well, and you will see many options right here which you can find on this impact. And just like that, you can make your bubble text by choosing any color, any format, any size you want to on your Google Docs. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.